final tally in this is August. It was BJP was 17-18, MGP was 3-4, Congress was 12-13, AAP was 4-5, and others were 1-2. Now, this is the tally emerging now after doing all the cross tabulations, and BJP is going from 18 to 20. MGP is becoming 2-3, which was 3-4. It is becoming 2-3. Congress, which was 12-13 in August, is becoming 8-10. Sir, तुम्ही 10 म्हणिल्ले. It is becoming 8-10. The new players that has come in Goa forward, but Goa forward may hardly get 1 or 2 seats. They will not get more than that. AAP, which was 4-5, is coming down to 2-3. They will not cross 3. That is the current mood. And others, which were 1-2, can become 1-3.
On that up, I put them 1-2.
Okay, so you are putting them in on this figure.
Yes. No, Goa forward and up may be in the same bracket.
पोजिशनाची सिरियसनेस ना आनी खंयच्याच एकवट ना तशें पळयलें जाल्यार म्हाका नेक्स्ट गव्हर्मेंट बीजेपीचेंच जातलें.
लोकांची अपेक्षा आहा की आनी बीजेपीन आनी एक गोष्ट केल्या की जे पायाभूत सुविधा आहा पळय इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट ते मोठ्या प्रमाणात सध्या काम चालू आहा. ते चालू उरतलें उरूंक जाय जाल्यार बीजेपीत परत येवंक जाय अशें तांचें म्हणणें आसा आनी लोकांक तें पडटा. त्यामुळे हे जे चित्र आहा पळय हें तशें चलता अशें उरतलें.
Entire responsibility is on them because you are showing that the anti-incumbency is 70%. No government can come back to power with the incumbency against them of this nature. So this is a total failure of the Congress party. It is not the victory of the BJP. Total failure of the Congress party.
आता उरला आता pre-poll. We will do a pre-poll survey in December. And we will do it before as per the rule, before the declaration of the election and election notification. आणि त्यांना हेच पॅनल घेऊन आम्ही तुमच्या मुखार परत येतले. एक व्हडली आम्ही एक आव्हान कशें भुजार घेतलां आनी तें म्हळ्यार गोंयांतलो पयलो एक्झीट पोल करपाचो जो आमचो इलेक्शनाच्या दीस करपाचो हावेस आसा.